Hi, welcome back. On this episode, we're going to go over checking our engine oil. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button and check me out on Instagram at Car Garage. So the first thing you need to do is get the engine up to running temperature. So you either want to take it for a ride or let it idle for 10 to 20 minutes depending on your climate to get it to running temperature. And then once you've got it to running temperature, you want to shut the bike off and you want to let it sit for 2 or 3 minutes is good, and then we're good to check it. So you can check it on a center stand, but it works out the same if you check it on the side stand and then stand the bike up. And when we get the seat and everything off, I'll explain why. So once the engine's up to temp and it's shut off, we're able to pull the seat off. So I usually just put a little bit of pressure on the front. I find it helps, and you just turn the key backwards and then the seat pops straight off. So now we're able to check our engine oil. So I'm going to pull the dipstick out and I'm going to wipe it dry. I just give it a little wipe. And one of the reasons you want to check it hot versus cold, it changes the level in the reservoir. So you need to make sure that the engine's hot. And then we're just going to slip the dipstick back in, but we're not going to screw it in. We're just going to let it sit there so it's just loose. And then if your bike was on a center stand, then you'd be able to check the level. But since we're not in a center stand, we're going to bring it up to center and then put it back down and check our level. So just like this. So now the bike's level, and then I can bring it back down, and then we're able to pull it out and check our level. And you want the engine oil to be in this area here. So you just want to make sure that you're somewhere in the designated area. Up near the top of that designated area is the best. This way, if you're burning or losing oil, you have a lot of room to go. So one of the reasons we're able to check this on our side stand with moving it, the bike up to center is because the dipstick is on the right side of the bike. So right now, more of the oil is pooled on the left side of the bike. So then when we bring it up to center, that oil is going to become level, which will raise up on the dipstick, which will still give us an accurate measurement. But you don't want to bring the bike up really fast because that oil might kind of do a little bit of a wave and give you a misreading. So just bring it up nice and easy and you'll be good to go. And then also make sure that you don't screw it down. The manual says to check it just with resting it there. So if you screw it in, you're going to be off on your fill by about ½ an inch. So you just rest it, and bring the bike up nice and slow. And then bring it back down nice and slow. And then we're able to check. And when your engine's cold, it's going to show that you're a lot lower than when your engine's hot. So like right now, I'm barely on the dipstick, but when my engine's hot, I'm right up at the full line. So keep that in mind too. And then when we're all done checking the oil, we screw it in, and then we put the seat on. And then we're good to go. If you need to add oil, you just dump it down there where the dipstick is. And if you need to see how to change your oil, it's episode 10 is how to change the oil on these bikes, and that's oil and filter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button, and check me out on Instagram at Car Garage. Have a great night.